Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL 3T10, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and you will find a battery saver toggle right over here. That is the default location for me, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. And once you see it, you can simply tap on it. As you can see, it lowers down the brightness of your device. So if it's not already maxed out, you can try to make it a little bit brighter if you want to, but keep in mind brightness is one of the key power saving portions. So the lower the brightness, the better the battery life, and you can also utilize that without the power saving mode if you choose to. Now there might also be some things happening in the background, like Wi-Fi mobile data being disabled when the device is not being used. So this will result in you not receiving any kind of notifications from applications that would typically give you them if they are connected to network. And just to kind of name a few, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on. So if you're experiencing just delay or lack of any kind of notifications from those applications, it's probably due to the power saving mode being enabled. But anyway, once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on it once again, and as you can see, everything will go back to normal. So with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.